Hello and welcome. In this video I'll show you how you can use the Translate app on your iPhone 16e offline. So first we have to go to settings and scroll all the way down until we find apps, and here search for the Translate app or look for it, and here enable the on device mode. And as you can see, you can read that the offline translations won't be as accurate. And now if we open the Translate app, and we have to download the languages that you want to translate from or to, and you'll be able to do this offline. So if you enjoyed this video and consider it helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.